Morning, children. Are you all ready for today's class? Children, I have come here with a new subject. Yes. So, this is general knowledge. Okay? This is general knowledge. It is a very easy subject. Okay? It is a very easy subject. Children, we will say this as GK. Okay? It is GK. This subject is to develop your other sense. Okay? It's very important to learn other things than subjects also. Okay, it is not like you should read only maths, English, EVS, Tamil, Hindi. You should also know other things. Okay, that we will learn in this GK. Okay, are you all ready to see what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to see spot the odd one. Spot the odd one. Okay? What is this? You will have 4 pictures. Okay? All the 4 pictures will not be related. 3 pictures will be related and 1 picture will not be related to the other 3. So, the one which is not related, that is the odd one. Okay? Yes. Children, for example, I am saying you, okay? Book, pencil, table, coffee. Okay? Book, pencil, table, coffee. Will coffee come with these 3? See, these 3 we will use it for studies, right? But coffee, will we use it for studies? No. So, coffee is the odd one out. Okay? Yes. Book, pen, pencil, coffee. In that, which is the odd one out? Coffee is the odd one out. Yes? Superb. So, we will see it with pictures now. Okay? Are you all ready? Yes. This is the first one. What is there in the first picture? It is a dog. Next, it is a crow. Next is a cat. And fourth one is a rat. Yes. So, children, dog, cat, and rat are animals, right? Bird is not an animal, right? It is a bird. So, we have to cross it. So, this is the odd one out. Okay? So, see, dog, cat, rat and all comes under animal and crow comes under birds. So, we will not include it. So, we will cross the bird. Yes? Superb. Next one. See what is there? Sun, moon, stars and a bottle. Okay. Sun, moon, stars will come in sky. Will a bottle come in sky? No. So, which is odd one out here? Bottle. Yes, cross this bottle. Yes. So, in first one, what did we see? Dog, crow, cat, rat. What did we strike out in this? We striked out crow because it is a bird and others are animals. Yes. So, next one. What is there in the next one? Sun, moon, stars and then bottle. Will a bottle come in sky? No, no. What and all we will see in sky? We will see sun, moon, stars. Yes, bottle we will not see in sky, right? So, sorry. So, we will strike out bottles. Yes. So, this is easy, no? Yes. We call this as spot the odd one. Spot the odd one. When it does not belong to the group, we will strike it out. Yes. Okay. Can we go to the next one? Yes. Okay. What is there? 1, 6, 15 and a rock. What is it? Will a rock come in numbers? The other three are numbers, right? Will a rock will belong to numbers? No. So what will you strike out here? We will strike out the rock. Very good. Did you all understand? What are we doing here? We are striking out the odd ones. Yes? Very good. Next one. Scale, eraser and pencil. And then a balloon. Will balloon belongs to our stationery? What and all we use? Pencil, eraser, pen and then scale and all we will use. Will we use balloon? No, no. So we will strike out balloon. Yes. Can we strike out balloon? Yes. Strike out balloon. Yes. So, can we do this again? Yes. 1, 6, 15 and then a rock. Which is odd one here? Rock is the odd one. What will you do to the odd one, children? We will strike out the odd one. Yes? Did you all understand? We will strike out. We will put a into mark. How did I put? Like that we will put. Yes? Next one. Scale, eraser, pencil and a balloon. Which will not come in this? Balloon will not come. So we will strike out balloon. Superb. So did you all understand this? Can we go to the next one? Are you all ready? Yes. What is there in the next one? Yeah. Chair, stool, a cupboard and a girl. Chair, stool, cupboard and a chair. So, who is odd one here? Who is not related to this? Girl is not related. So, strike out girl. Will a girl come in the wardrobe sections? No. She will not belong to this one, right? Chair, stool, wardrobe and then bed. Like that it will come. Not a girl, right? Yes. So strike out the girl. Did you all understand this? Yes. Children, next we are going to write. Take a new page. Take a new page. Put today's date. Write GK on the heading like this. GK. Okay. Write GK on the heading. Write Circle the odd one. Circle. 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 Finger gap. The. The. Finger gap. Odd. 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 Finger gap. One. 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 Finger gap. Out. 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 Circle the odd one out. Okay? Yes, did you all write the heading? Very good. Okay, now put number 1 and write peacock. 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 Next one, cat. 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 Next one, sparrow. 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 So did you all write it? Yes. Now we are going to circle the odd one from this. Okay. Now tell me, peacock is a bird. Yes. Cat is a animal. Sparrow is a bird. So which is odd one out here? Cat. So we will strike out cat. Okay? Did you all write it? Can you all understand this? You are striking out which is not belonging to the other one. Okay? Which is not the correct one. Okay? Yes. Cat is an animal. Peacock and sparrow is a bird, which will not come here. Okay? So cat, we are striking it out. Okay? Yes. Can we do the next one? Yes. Next one is cup. 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 Book. 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 Next one, pencil. 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 So, children, cup, book, pencil. Which will come in this stationery items? Book and pencil, right? Will cup come in stationery one? Will you use cup for studying? Yes or no? No. So, what will you strike out? Cup. Strike out cup. Did you all do it? Very good. Next one. Third one. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Next one. Potato. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Next one. Orange. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. So, did you all write this? Now tell me, onion, potato, orange. What is the differences in this? Potato and onion are vegetables. Orange is a fruit. Yes. So, orange will not belong to this group. Yes. Can we strike it out? Strike out orange. Yes. Did you all do it, children? Yes. You can take few more examples and you can do it by yourself, okay? I will meet you with the new chapter in the next class. Okay, children? Till then, be safe, have healthy foods and be at home. Okay? Thank you.